We have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off in qualification match number 48 with all robots off as the Blue Alliance. Both teams are launching from that near and far launch zone, while on the red side, the bot Antithesis has launched and moved out to earn them leave points, while in the near launch zone, their teammate, the Robo Warriors Purple, has cycled through several of those spike marks to score.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
As we enter the driver-operated period of the match, we have a close game. We are less than 15 points apart,
3,
so this can be
2,
anybody's game.
1.
We are off with Numb Gears launching from that far launch zone and Robo Knights launching from the near launch zone as they head to the human player zone to pick up those artifacts. Over on the red side, the Robo Knights are attempting to pick up from there as well and get access to that far launch zone, which was blocked off by Numb Gears, their teammate who is staying in this near launch zone. The bot Antithesis is being boxed out as they have found their aim and scored 2 artifacts. On the blue side, Numb Gears struggling to find their aim as they miss but are back in the game. It looks like the bot Antithesis has lost one of their team signs to the field in the skirmish. Robo Knights also struggling to find their aim while their teammate goes into this near launch zone to do their part to try to help even the battle, as we have a blue lead, but only narrowly. On the red side, continuing to work, is the Robo Warriors Purple, who are picking up and cycling through from that ramp as quickly as possible in a highly efficient manner, hoping that their teammate, the bot Antithesis, can join them soon, which they do. Numb Gears taking that far launch zone to some defense while still managing to score those points. Entering the final 10 seconds, Numb Gears has decided to fire a few more artifacts off as both teams have decided to share.
Scores going up on the board for match number 48. The Blue Alliance will take the victory with a score of 159 to 118. Those 3 ranking points will lead upward motion for 22,999. Meanwhile, on Red Alliance side, Norwalk was ranked number 7.